Strange man walks in holding his gun. He kills somebody and he's on the run. Out the door and into the busy streets. Cops chase him round town for an hour or two. Go back home, he's on the evening news. They tell us it's alright, we got him in custody. Well, maybe it's me, but I'm scratching my head, wondering why that SOB ain't dead. When everyone knows it's him, why should we wait? It's time we go back to hanging them high. Let's light the torches in the middle of the night. Somewhere along the way we've gotten way too soft. We don't need a jury when we see what he's done. Just build the gallows and wait for the sun. Get the vigilantes loaded up with justice for all. If this country still had balls. My tax money pays for nice hot meals, for a killer locked up making more appeals, so he can get right back out and do it all again. Now I ain't saying that a man can't change, but you can't tell right from wrong these days, unless we send a message they won't forget. So it's time we go back to hanging them high. Let's light the torches in the middle of the night. Somewhere along the way we've gotten way too soft. We don't need a jury when we see what he's done. Just build the gallows and wait for the sun. Get the vigilantes loaded up with justice for all.